Chat, I don't know about this Starbucks. YouTube, what is happening, man? Welcome back to another video or another POV drive with theOnlycarter. In today's video, we are running errands because around 1 to 2 o'clock, around that time, I'm about to go hit the wreck with some boys at Kent. And we about to run for today. Probably about to drop some people off, but, you know, it's for the love of the game, you know what I'm saying? I woke up late, so in this video, I'm about to hit the gas station, probably hit Starbucks. I filled up air in my tire earlier today, and then we'll probably go to the store. But I'm probably just gonna get a couple things. I need to get electrolytes, some water. If they have any like type of fruits or something, I'll get it. But yeah, welcome back to another POV drive. We are on day 13, chat. So I'm about to hit the 7-Eleven so we can get what we need so we could be straight, you know what I'm saying? Spoiler came in on Wednesday, and after today, I'm gonna make an appointment for next week, bring the spoiler in, installation, probably gotta wait 2 to 4 hours, and I'm gonna give you guys that video. I'm gonna show you guys. Also, when I get back home, I'll show you guys. I'm low-key scared to take it out of the package, but actually, I feel like it's gonna come clean. It's a glossy black spoiler. I didn't want to come carbon this time. Why are we braking? What is there to brake for? You gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You gonna miss me when I'm gone. You gonna miss me when I'm dropping off YT Wax. I ain't gonna lie, he low-key sorry at basketball though. He's a bot. Everybody I play with are bots. Make sure you guys do subscribe for more videos, because we are spamming hella videos this summer. When I'm gone. Hopefully the camera setup is cool. I didn't check, I just know the fitment. Boys and girls, we are sitting at 2,062 subscribers. Thank you, everyone who has subscribed and continuing to subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We're making this, I don't care. Yeah. Get out the way. But he can't say nothing. Yeah. Get out the way, son. Can't do nothing now. Yeah. Day 12 of posting. Got a couple more days. Almost halfway there. Most people stop after day 12. Or once they get to day 15, they start to give up. But sometimes you have to keep going. Doesn't matter if you're tired, Chad. It don't even matter to me. It don't even matter to me what you say. Oh, buddy's trying to roll up on me? Say that. It'll be your last day, gang. It will be your last day. I look calm. Nah. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Alright, you too, thank you. Funny, you don't want to look at Cam. So look, we got water. We'll get the electrolytes on the way. Let me head to Starbucks, and then I gotta go somewhere for Best Buy, so we're gonna cut the cameras loose. Buddy looks goofy as hell. Let me get my drink. I'm gonna be big today. Chat, I don't know about this Starbucks. Like, damn. Alright, let's say screw the Starbucks. Let's go to the other one. Shit. This is low-key slowing us down though, chat. So I have to go all the way on that side. Honestly, yeah, we could cut this down a bit. A lot, actually. Alright, chat, I'm gonna just talk to y'all when I get to Target. YouTube, I made it to Target. I'm gonna just go in here real quick and get some AirPods, and then we're gonna pull up to Starbucks, and then we're about to hit home so I can edit this video. We're gonna get this video out for 5 p.m. So I'm gonna have it scheduled. You guys go watch, enjoy this video. A little POV drive errand run part 2, because we did one a couple days ago. So make sure you guys do subscribe. I'll see y'all real soon. Give me a minute. Some AirPod 3s Pros. I didn't even know they had the Pro 3s. So I had the AirPod Pros, but I didn't know they came with the 3s now. So we got that. About to hit the Starbucks. Got the mocha. And then we about to head home so we can edit this video, get it ready to upload, get everything ready for the Yip Yap Rap Jazz. And then we're on our way to go hoop. Trying to get buckets today. Trying to bang. Hang time, you know what I'm saying? Oh, let's just go this way. Starbucks is that way. Should be getting home around 12:30. Edit, probably take me like 30 minutes. Let it upload, probably won't leave my crib till like 1:30, 1:40. Yeah, cause I don't like rushing my videos. I don't want to be under pressure because I can't perform, you know, at the highest level, you know what I'm saying? If I had CapCut Pro, it would be a little more better. I'll add more animations, but I don't really need all that. I'm saying. Oh my God. The line is ridiculous. Thank you. Have a good one. Alright, chat. Finally, after 50,000 years, we finally got the coffee. And now I'm about to edit. Bro. I'm about to edit this video up so we can get it ready. So at 5 o'clock. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day. I will get day 13 out as well tomorrow. I'll make it a lot better. But we had a little things we had to do today, so I'm sorry for the delay. Alright, love you guys. Enjoy.